So I'm at South by Southwest, and usually when I go to events, I'll walk away with like maybe a new phone, maybe a t-shirt or two. This time though, I got myself a house. So I kind of feel like we're on an episode of Cribs in my house for only 24 hours. Mark and Matt are here as well. Matt's filming. So this is the house. We're calling it the ecoBeeNB. Everything around here is smart and connected. Every light switch on the wall is a switch plus. Of course, we got the ecobee thermostat up on the wall. The idea is that this is just your house. It's what your house could be pretty simply. And so everything here is obviously connected. So stuff you can do with Alexa, obviously you can do here. Alexa, turn off the lights in the living room.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on the lights in the living room.
Okay.
So it's not like what Alexa can do, that's cool. It's the fact that it's built into a light switch, and the tiny little speaker on here sounds surprisingly awesome. So you're taking away the need for like an Echo Dot on a counter, and you're putting it into a physical light switch. It's also using far field tech, so I could stand pretty far away. So obviously they're light switches, and they do smart things, but they're like also normal light switches. You can push it, and it turns things off, and you can turn things on. And it's got mute buttons and stuff on it as well. So like I got kids at home, I don't want my kids yelling at it to play Moana soundtrack by various artists at 3 in the morning, which they do pretty regularly. But it's also got obviously motion detection on it, so it's gonna know when you walk into a room, it's gonna know your schedule. It also set it to turn lights off automatically if it doesn't detect motion at certain intervals. And obviously being like an ecobee product, you can use your voice to control your ecobee thermostat. We've got the 4 in this house, which has Alexa built in too, so you talk to your switch and your thermostat. So like, let's say you come home, it's been like a super long day, you just wanna like sit in your rocking chair, put your blanket on and just relax and listen to some music, you can do it. Alexa, play death metal in the living room.
Death metal from Spotify playing on living room.
Alexa, play House of Cards.
Getting House of Cards from Fire TV.
Can your light switch do that? So usually you see Alexa all like dotted up in its little dot format, but it's not always near you. You can't always hear it, but within a light switch, you can add a whole bunch more convenience. So like in the kitchen, like literally in the kitchen, I can be like, Alexa, make me a coffee.
Okay.
Thanks. Alexa, tell the cat to roll in dirt. Wildlife out here.
Yeah, you know, just shooting for Nat Geo.
How do we know what restaurants are in Austin?
We can always ask Alexa.
Oh, we could.
Here are a few top-rated restaurants in Austin.
What? What?
We didn't even say it. That was, I swear that was 100% not staged.
All right, John, we just went to dinner.
So it's cold out. I'm hoping that it's gonna be warm inside. Although I know you guys like it freezing.
No, we could turn up the heat.
There you go.
There we go.
Ooh,
It's on.
it worked. Impressive.
What are we gonna name this cat? Leave them in a comment section down below. What are we gonna call this cat?
Thumbs up for cats.
Oh, he's about to come in. Nope.
Alexa, lock the front door.
Locking. Hang on.
It's like midnight now. We're getting ready to call it a night from our only night here in the ecoBeeNB. Mark is in the guest bedroom getting ready. So I think we should probably mess with them since they locked me out. Alexa, turn off the lights in the guest bedroom.
Okay.
Oh, Usually when you go to these like smart home installations, it's like meet the smart home of the future stuff you might have in like 10 years. It was cool to come to a house where everything is already here and working and you can already buy it and make it work. And a lot of homes, they've got sort of pieces of smart homes, but living in one where everything worked was really cool. What I liked about the Switch Plus is that it takes the place of an Echo Dot, which is sort of stationary on your counter. You've got light switches everywhere, so you put 2, 3, or 4 of these around your house, and suddenly your whole home becomes connected and you can hear your voice. It did a really admirable job with the far field technology too, and I was far away, it could hear my voice. And if you're in a home like this where there's 30 of them all around, it'll activate the one that can hear your voice the best. It was cool to see that work. The occupancy sensors are really neat. And if you're not like super into the Amazon ecosystem, it also play nice with HomeKit and all the rest of the stuff that Ecobee plays nicely with. So before you guys head out, if you like what Ecobee's putting down with their Switch Plus and the Ecobee 4, they're giving away a humongous prize pack with lights and switches and speakers. We'll link to it down below in case you guys want to check it out. Hope you guys enjoyed. It's kind of a different style of video. We never did one like this where we stayed in a place all together. Until next time, I'm John Renton from TechnoBuffalo. Talk to you guys in the next one.